What are the best practices for accessible emoji use? Emojis are a wonderful way to bring personality and tone to our digital spaces. When we use them with accessibility in mind, we create a more welcoming experience where everyone can fully engage with our message. Use these practices for accessible emoji usage. Check emoji descriptions before use. Screen readers read the specific name assigned to the icon. Ensure the literal description matches your intended meaning. Use emojis at the end of sentences. Avoid placing them in the middle of text to avoid interrupting the flow of information. For example, "have a great day" is read as "have a sparkles great day." Placing emojis at the end ensures the screen reader finishes the thought before describing the icon. Similarly, do not overly repeat emojis, including using emojis as bullet points. Check browser compatibility before use. Functionality may vary between platforms and browsers. It is important to remember that a sighted person has a different perspective than a person with a visual disability. Following these simple standards ensures that our use of emojis enhances our message without creating barriers for assistive technology users. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.